So next up, guys, just gonna do a quick video. This is a Miller Trailblazer. I think it's a 325 EFI Welder generator. This will be electronic fuel injected, guys. Kohler gas motor, starts right up, runs really well. Coming in, local consignor. We sell a lot of their construction equipment. This welder does run well, starts strong, builds generator power. The consignor wanted me to say that it does not weld. That's why they're selling it. It doesn't weld, but it does do the generator power. So it's really pretty clean when you peek in the cabinet, guys, and look at the motor and everything like that. But I'll just get you a quick startup on it. Cannot get the hours off of it. Just shows 0 for hours. I'm sure it's obviously got more than that. Just gonna start up nice and easy here. Idle's down there, guys, when it's in auto. Back in high idle. Idle back down like it's supposed to there. So starts, runs, builds generator power, does it well. But there's a quick little demo, guys. Miller Trailblazer 325 EFI Welder generator. So guys, auction time.